Biamono kigimo manchu murieli television ya Ndizi TV ni marobindingi ya tokumirana aigasigite sinikya onambe mo kyumuno wa Kisii and Ndizi TV ekero tugendete kweyarigani bya kigima elio zikunyora mangana maya sinkira iyubikiranu ali abasaki baito kurwa kinsinyo cyonsi cyorogonko rwa Gusii batwariganirie elio twemanye na korana inkikiagendereire asorogonko rwa Gusii Kenya na boigo ensingi bono yondeze korera bageri gukorya no moyo murabukigima elio benanche igoika kinsi sana cyubutuko bwa rero asikingise gitangani ni gotoje gasosa mangana maya boigo asikingise ya kabere magani itoni gagocha asumurubiri obweke umbu ne mugaro ya rero magani one ni go maganye dikigima elia yalwika se studio cheito na konyara ego kwanira mange igoro ya siasa oyo kabere omo MCA kurwa sisemo ya Getenga Ward Honorable Ronald Murara Unduso nerebono inganyere tekigima anyare go ikase studio cheito emarako ya bono elio nyare ego kwana mange kufuatikana na siasa cyorogonko rwa Gusii na nimono chensemeria ya Getenga Ward na kibandrete kwerobiria ere mirubiria nere kurwa karenge omo MCA na gwikabono ngaiya ikire nainde ninki atagete gosarigetie gokora ucia matuko ari busyo igobono togendare kiagera twerobe ikigima nere nigonganyete ikase studio cito eruja komurubirio ukigima na manga korekanire ase orogongo rwa Gusii na boigo eimeyese ya Kenya aidoju kwimanya sikingise gitangani kya mangana maya sekeketari getambe ngochagatora mangana maya senkira yobekirano Wia kigima mwanchu murigeria ba television and Ndizi TV magarobingia urabano nare uritokonya na okoletera mangana maya senkira yo munu wabimanyiririo nigamanyikana na Joshua Auta inche nigokoro kwa John Kibati mangana maya nigotuko ya chaka ekero mutinyo yo ikomi umanyikana mu tinyi bukuriria mangana yo buroire bwa kansa yorobere anemono asabasubati nigobono abateneriya begete seneni kya Huduma Center ime county ya Nyamira litukulia rero bakoletaro nebyombe ao ime yensemeyo elio koligereria na bugukorera anemono amangana y'uburoiro bwa kansa nigo barawano musubati Mary Awino elio kokurwa megelio na bugukorera mono ali arengete igoro y'uburoiro bwo nigo batara kuruso mu Nyamira guikase chiro ya miruka umusaki tukuru county ya Nyamira ejo mangi nigonere aikesemeyo na gutwariga liyo robotero kubwatia asenchira y'ubikirano
motienyi oikomi no motienyi bokorwa esegeto igoro yoboroire bwa kansa buna entera yamo yokorwa esegeto igoro yoboroire bwa kansa nigo abakori emeremo ba Huduma Center Nyamira bakora etaro entambe kurwa somo cyo Nyamira mpaka miruka.
Today we took a walk from Nyamira to Center Nyamira Oyugis Kisumu Highway. Our main agenda was to create awareness on breast cancer.
Asebarwa abasemi go chiasa omenyi be county Nyamira igoro yoboroire bwa kansa.
For now the reception was good. They were eagerly waiting to know what are the symptoms of breast cancer, even though it is assumed that breast cancer is only for ladies. We educated men that breast cancer cuts across.
Mary Awino oyolegati abali babwenire ko rwasoboroire bwa kansa narwa agosemeria gucyase bali babwate oboroire bwa kansa buna okobwena nkoro.
For the last 6 years I've been battling cancer and now I am free of cancer. And here I am well, so we were telling the people that they can also get cured of the disease.
Abakenya mbasegetwa kolingoli gukera chingaki elinde konyora okobweni gwa ase chingaki chindonge.
Be able to talk to people about breast cancer, to spread the awareness and to tell them that it is curable, and to also insist that they get screened and that early detection saves lives. So we are impressing upon the people to be able to go get tested. And if they are found to be in early stages of cancer, they can get treated and they can be.
Elinde kwetanga korwa soboroire bwa kansa abamenyi mbatakeire kuri kindagera kingia na kurigia obasemia asichinyagitari.
Really be aggressive and try to know more about this cancer. And those who know, please try as much as you can to let others know about the disease. And I would like to encourage each and everyone to go for screening. There is free screening going on until the end of this month at every local hospital and the cancer centers.
Kuruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Biamono kigima chinga kichuo mulikio butambe ase wizara yobo chenu n'abateneri bande nigo batebire bunemero bilioni nigo yabekirwe eliokwirania oburwire bwa kansanse eliokwanekia buna nigo abantu banyolire igoro yengane iyo na kumanya kelike bwenerete ayo niga yakwa nase nyigitali nene ya Kenyatta ekero ensemo yokurigiriria mangana y'oburwire bwa kansa yalingi kuigurwa litukuria lero.
So as we continue to put efforts in strengthening our health system to ensure that there is equitable and there is accessible cancer prevention and control services, we realize the importance of delivering faster and earlier diagnosis and better experiences for our patients. Our presence here to launch the Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital Breast Cancer Center of Excellence is an acknowledgement of the need to transform the way that we deliver diagnostic services for cancer.
I'm glad to note that the KUTRH Center will provide a valuable resource for continuous breast care services and support.
We look forward to contributing immensely to the fight against cancer through early regular screening, diagnosis and treatment to improve.
Homo Bishop Joseph Mairura kuruasi diocese ya Kisii nigo aburira abakenya amo n'abaraibonzi gocha amo eliokogendereria ense ya Kenya nigo ayakwa nayo asi county ya Kakamega asumuyiga bwo gucengera imyaka 50 y'obukoreri bwo Reverend Philip Seruneti.
Because the elections are over. The waheshimiwa are now our friends. Whether they are Kenya Kwanza, whether they are the other side, we don't talk about the divisions now. Tuko pamoja. Na tufanye kazi pamoja. It is like blood. If you cut my blood, it does not say Kenya Kwanza, or Kisii, or Luya. No, it says O negative, N minus, A, B, that is it. Which means we are made of the same stuff and God loves us.
Musalia Mudavadi oyoromo Prime Cabinet Secretary ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo atebrebuna nigo bagocha okorera abakenya emirimo batari egocha kwegererwa onde bwensi nigo nerebo igo ayakwa nayo mugasorero kigo kichugo kingira obukoreri bwo Reverend Amotogia Philip buna nigo atwariro mu cyango munene asokoreta magenderero ensemeyo.
We have heard what you have said. The elections are over. Bishop Mairura is right. Let us hold hands together. Let us walk together. Let us serve the people of Kenya together and put behind us the political intrigues that come before an election. We have a common destiny to serve the people of Kenya. We have a common destiny to revive the economy of this country. And I want to assure you that that is going to be our objective. I want to assure the governor of Kakamega that we shall work together with his team so that we can give service to the people in this region. Let us all be a united nation, a united people, so that we can help those who need help most urgently as we go forward.
Omurai wiki amakiana Kenya omungina amadha karua oyuwa igonero ikirana ase omusangirikano yo nigonera atebiribuna nigo akampontogirie Reverend Philip asukobwatia na gukonya koroswa wikatibe enya iyo yabegetwe gukora imirimo umwaka w'ikiri 2010.
Na mnakumbuka tulikuwa na utofauti wa vyama vingi wa KANU na vyama vya upinzani, lakini akatuunganisha na tukatomboa kufanya sheria ambayo ilikuwa ni mwanzo msingi wa katiba mpya. Na hakuchoka, aliendelea na hizo shughuli za katiba mpaka 2010 when we got the new constitution. Kwa hivyo, he is not just a man of faith, he is also a leader who can put people together. Thank you, Bishop Sulumeti. Today we are enjoying democratic space, courtesy of that constitution. With your permission, just one more word. The way to honor him is to safeguard the gains in that constitution. We must have unity in diversity, not unity in a single party. And therefore, Governor Barasa, yes, cooperate, because you need the national government. The national government also needs you to reach the people of Kakamega. Cooperate from a position of strength, knowing hawa wananchi ndio wamekuchagua, ndio wamechagua kila mtu Kenya.
Igotigana nayo keminano kyomwelio gichigosori chia Kisii County League ni gobono echarorikanire gose echakorekana abo ichigosiko korekana abo ankyo asigeti giskuru ya muraya Kisii School ebuno munyakiro gobo ikyombe egya FKA forosegero Kisii Jazril Mbegera agochia kobaga kwerera
kitimu chiko cha participate ya seminary ya mambigo chiri kitimu 12 chirote from all different parts of Kisii County. Kuru zone A kitimu inya, kuru zone B kitimu inya, na kuru zone C kitimu inya. We took this position as saying njo kwa kitimu liwaga because we believe the first 4 teams njiwate potential yoko progress to the next level. Kitimu to promote mambine kitimu ibere na jicha kuganda regional na kuru waro tunyara kutuwara Kisii County Champions. Yurende kwa nero the best team in the county. Alafu namba ibere kunyugati na echibere number 1 and 2 na jiko ganda se regional league.
Echinga kiecho Mbegera nigo atebire buna nigo bachakire kubwatrana neji serikali ye county ya Kisii eliokini birengo bichigosori ime ije county ye.
We are closely working and appealing to the county government. Inyara waswaim, inyara kona kitimu chetu. So at an appropriate time, we will formally engage the county government. I think in Joko linga inchira kitimu chetu chitanyara wakonyaka kusko uchimutu because we have a lot of good talent as soccer, both boys and girls as a county of Kisii.
Igotigana nayo murugi bw'omukonyi bw'omurahi bw'ense Dorcas Gachagua nigo aira endagira y'obukonyi imeji county ya Makueni ase airaniria mpiamono nabwo babwatrana no governor bw'i county yo omusike Mutula Kilonzo Junior. Dorcas nigatebire buna abantu bali abahakiwe no mucyandu bw'oko burone endagira singa kicumura kiro monene ogenderete nigo babonerete igokonyi obwango mono
60,000 households all over Makueni. 247,000 people facing hunger in 15 wards. Na akatuambia Rigiji, akatuambia nikuje niwaambie chakula inakuja. Si imekuja? And when His Excellency the President said that he's going to give food, ile chakula imekuja Makueni, si chakula tu, ni chakula ya maana.
Initiative seeks to complement ongoing effort through the distribution of food, cash transfers, the drilling of boreholes from what we have already accomplished. It is clear that we have the ability to collectively make a difference. But there is still much to do, and so it is my appeal to all Kenyans of goodwill to arise to the great need of saving lives of our fellow countrymen and women.
Abaraibe dini ya Islamu kuruasi kaunti ya Garissa ni golitukulelero vakora masababene elio egoika sabusuwa munene na kuboria koegwa embura enyara gutura senseme yuna kwenekia buna nigo etugo na boigo ni bitu binde pinke biranyare igukina na gukura umurakera ujogendere tenseme yo.
We are here to pray to our Lord subhanahu wa ta'ala for rains. Kuna ukame ambaye hakika none like before, never like before seen. Tunaumia sana hapa kwetu Garissa County and of course in the entire region. Hakika there are a lot of problems for the lack of the rains. You are all aware, the media is aware kwamba watu kule, our people who keep livestock, our wealth is in our livestock. Our livestock is gone. Our little farming activities are dead. Our even a little wildlife. We used to have plenty of wildlife in Garissa County once upon a time, and of course in the other ASAL counties. But now we have lost literally the largest number of livestock. They're all gone. Hakuna namna. The only thing really that can help us is rains. And that's why this morning we came out. Really we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tupatie mvua, and inshallah.
Kubwatikana nukungusana negati yabamenyi bechi county bere county ya Isiolo aboigo county ya Meru igoro yokolisia gwetugo yabo nabogo kubwatikana umurakiro monene uyogerire balia barabatugi bechingamia kurwase county ya Isiolo igo ikasi county ya Meru na kolisia ebimeli byabanyene bono nigo abamenyi benseme yo babodirie serikali wesonania na kugayana umuchando yo.
Tunataka mali ile ziweze kupata fursa, iweze kukula. Mvua ikija watu tarudi kule wanataka. Na wajua ya kwamba mahali saa hii tunapoongea kuhusu area hii ya Gambela mpaka kufika Shab, ni mahali watu walikuwa wanalisha mbeleni.
Sisi tunataka tukae pamoja, tukue watu pamoja, kwa sababu sisi ni Wakenya wote. Hii kitu ni Mwenyezi Mungu ameleta, ni kiangazi imekuja, hakuna mtu anataka ubaya. Sisi tunataka midhuri tununue na tukule na amani. Hata kama kifukuzwa hakuna mali inaenda. Tumeenda huko sababu ya shida. Hatujaenda kwa kupenda ama malisho ile ya sherehe. Kwa hivyo sisi maombi yetu kwa serikali ya Isiolo, kuanzia county commissioner, Gusii na kila mtu pamoja na wanasiasa wetu washikane, wa intervene kwa hii shida ambaye inaendelea.
Shinga kicho omo MCA bwenseme ejo nebio Aden Ali nigaburiria serikali ikoire gitambo kirogyo kuigora amabaga egatiense ya Kenya na boigonenseria ya Somalia lyo ekoreta obonchuria sensemeyo na kwenekia buna amagenderero ngo cyahare asaba menyi bensemeyo.
Hii mpaka ilikuwa inalisha watu wengi. Mandera za watu wameathirika vibaya. Tunataka hii mpaka kwanza ifunguliwe. Ya pili, kwa sababu ya hii ukame watoto ya shule wameathirika vibaya. Tunataka feeding program, school feeding program irudishwe tafadhali.
Egotigana na yumo akipishwa publikanisa yiki Anglican Jackson Ulisapiti nigo aburiria bawaziri bonzi be serikali ya Kenya kwanza ekwenekia buna magenderero nigo arachikoba igakorekana situ wizara chonsi ya limono chinga kibatia niwe na kwaegwa echunguru cyo kole mirimo ayo obotiani gukwabo ni gugwakorekana wiki ya itana bwigo bono okubuli okuni gwachire chinga kichingia akiroba chakire mirimo
waangazie maisha ya mwanadamu na mwananchi wa Kenya kikamilifu bila kujali wametoka wapi ama wamepiga kura kwa mrengo gani, kwa sababu serikali iliyoko sasa ni serikali ya kitaifa na serikali ya taifa la Kenya. Kwa hivyo kila minister na kila ministry tunatarajia watoe huduma sawa kwa Wakenya wote kila mahali. Zaidi ya kaunti 20 inakumbwa na janga la njaa na bado hatujaona mvua ambayo. Kwa hivyo tunaendelea kutoa mwito kwa serikali, sisi kanisa na watu binafsi na mashirika na wafanyabiashara tuungane pamoja, tuonyeshe mkono katika idara ya agriculture na strategic reserves ya chakula ya kutosha ili tuwe pia na mpangilio bora kwa wasalishaji wa mifugo.
Ekero tugendrete busyo ekiombe kyabasubati kurwa sobombo bulia bwa
young women and young men
self-employed.
and also increase knowledge of skills training, which includes personal skills, to build high energy for the trainees and enhance effectiveness and efficiency.
Watakana na roboti ruo babuatani bikiama kia Amani National Congress ikikora wakonye na Musalia Mudavadi uyu achorwa kwa bomu Prime Cabinet Secretary nikubairege tambo kirugyo kumwakiro muraibuenso musike William Ruto na mbiyamano ase owekirania ira yaye yoko mochora Mudavadi ko ira libagerio.
Entire ANC fraternity sincerely extends profound appreciation to His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto for this appointment. This appointment serves as a clear illustration of President William Ruto's commitment to honest, truthful, and dependable politics. It equally confirms the President's deep trust in the leadership, aptitude, and ideology of His Excellency Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. We are assured that Honorable Mudavadi will work side by side with His Excellency the President, the Deputy President, and the Cabinet to steer the Kenya Kwanza government in restoring the economic, socio and political dignity of all Kenyans.
Ekiombe kiava Governor, Council of Governors na the Institute of Human Resource Management ni gobasoire asoko igwana eliogosomia na koba megelio abakurie mirimo bechi county ao asikirenga igigo kinyo bokoreri asiji county bene.
With the immense potential for renewable energy in Nakuru and other parts of the country, we have the opportunity in reducing cost of renewable energy technologies by making this the most viable energy source. I call upon all human resource professionals, wherever they are, to proactively develop people management systems that accommodates emerging sectors such as the renewable energy sector.
Introducing a new critical dimension in the conceptual framework of the Institute mandate as a categorized state corporation as recently espoused by the Excellency, the President in the Executive Order number 1. The President felt it good to reward on behalf IHRN to be a state corporation.
The ongoing disruptions have brought to the fore the value of HR in organization. The COVID-19 pandemic remains one of the most significant disruptions of our time, and during this period, HR professionals have had an opportunity to drive change, prioritize employee health and safety, and support business development for solid continuity.
Biamono kimomo nchumuligiria bu television Ndizi TV kirando chiche ikirejida kamera ngibire angenenye eche margo ya bono abunka itenongo kora mangana magia senkira yuwikiranu buna nago tebia buli tangani mogani no ikira si studio cheito ni gakoro kwa Honorable Ronald Muraraunduso yukonye ni garinge omo MCA ekurwase ewodi agetenga nere tolinere magana ya bono ngo chali gaiga eriyo toterekea mangana tukwanira mangana siasa eche wodi elia na boigo Gusii ngima na komanye birenga biyaye na boigo na ki aligeretie amangana siasa chorgongo rwa Gusii je county ya Kisii, county ya Nyamira, Kenya na boigo ensikima bono oyo nere tolinere magana ya bono na nigo tu yaliganit kigima eriyo kwene kya bune magana ya ongu chire koba engia kigima inyora chiga kichu na bogo tulikere SMS yao kero Petro nirango kubekera ali namba igoro gabuo SMS yurabe okulika gocha na kumubuli ali boli na se na komuinyoli ali akolete kera linge omo MCA gosekeria taikira ni tibuya asimugoroba ya bono igobono togendale ngoira nande asika gitari gitambe inyoranga Joshua Outa nero nkonya okoletera mangana ya magia senkira yumunwa wimanyelio inche nigonkuru kwa John